Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, July 31st, 2009. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 44 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning real close to our closing at 982.25. Basically, we're right by Thursday's close. Quickly filled our gap and traded to the upside, up towards our daily pivot. And we actually got some resistance at that pivot initially and gave us an opportunity to get in an extension trade to the upside. And that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 12 ticks right off the bat there this morning. And the trade continued to move up until the Globex session high, at which time it pulled back to the pivot, took a bounce, got underneath our moving average, got us an opportunity to get short, and we took that for targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 additional ticks. And that was a news announcement there at 10 a.m. And we continued, we traded down, actually got a little bit of a bounce, came up, crossed our moving average, pulled back to towards our moving average right above our previous day's close, got a signal to go long. And that signal, although it took a little bit of time to set up, it did hit targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks as it moved back up to the daily pivot. We continued to trade higher into our 10:45 confirmation time, which at that point they decided to sell the market off one more time, crossed below our pivot, we got below our moving average, we got a signal to get short, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 additional ticks going into the lunchtime dead zone. As junkies, we don't take any trades between 11:30 and 1:15 due to the high volatility and low volume potential during lunch. But coming out of lunch at 1:15, we actually crossed above our moving average. We got a signal to go long right after 1:30. That signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks. And the market moved back up towards its Globex session high before it made one last retracement below our moving average, below the pivot. We got a signal to go short, got our first contract off, but there just wasn't any follow through there at 3 o'clock. They weren't ready to sell the market off at that point. So, and we stopped trading at 3. Again, we get a lot of volatility in the last hour, and we choose not to partake. So, all in all, it was an awesome week. It was an awesome Friday for us. We had 6 trades for 44 ES ticks. There was a lot of choppiness in the market this week, and our system proved to be very valuable and kept you out of trouble and actually got an opportunity to get you quite a few ticks. So for those of you following the plan, congratulations. I know you had a great week, and I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.